Next topic, the basic components of food and nutrition security. The basic component of the mainly for one is the food and nutrition securities. The three importance. One is availability of food. Second one is access to food. Third one is absorptions. Is the three importance food and securities. First one is availability of food. Is a physical availability, the natural availability of the food stocks is desired quantities which a function of the domestic production productions and changes stocks and the import. What is mean by the availability of food? The availability of food is a physical availability of food security, food stock is desired quantities which are functions of the domestic production with the function of the domestic productions that changes stocks and the import. Next one is the second one is access to the food. What is mean by the access to the food? The access to the food is primarily a matter of the purchasing powers. Mainly the first focus in purchasing powers and is closely linked with the capabilities and employment opportunities. Mainly the access of food, the two importance. One is the capabilities and employment opportunities. To earn the two importance, one is the of employment opportunities is one access to the asset to education, that depend upon the asset to educations, mainly for the capabilities and opportunities is termed related to one access to asset and education. The third one is absorptions. The absorptions means of the food is a ability of the biologically utilized, mainly for biologically utilized for the food concerns. So the three importance, one is the availability of food, second one is the access of food, third one is absorptions of food. Next topic 3.2, availability and access to food grains. Availability, that means the உணவு தானியங்களின் கிடைத்தல் மற்றும் அணுகுதல். So availability and access to food grains is not only they depend on the quantum of food available. So not only depend on the quantum of food availables, the main things depend on, but also on the ability of people to purchase. The people going to purchase. So three levels of the peoples found in India: lower class, middle class and higher class, like that. So these peoples some of the higher class people, the rich people is going to food for good nutritious food. The lower class peoples, the lower levels of the food going to food. So these are available. So the availability of the people to purchase and access food and the stay in the appropriate healthy environments. So depend upon the availability of healthy environment. So going to bought the some things, the quality of food is a healthy life. If a poor quality food is not a healthy, so some of the peoples eating the very poor quality food items, so affected in the corona, like that some disease also affected. Here also mentions, so are the peoples going to eat the healthy food and the safety in your life. So but also on the availability of food to purchase. So depend upon the money, depend upon the education, depend upon the purchasing powers. So the access to food to stay in the appropriate healthy environmentals and also healthy, but just as the development issues, just the development issues in this mainly for food security of the peoples is also related to the countries. Food security is related to the country, depend upon the country. So the death rate is decreases, the country is well developed. Death rate is increases, the country is not food securities in our countries. So for the peoples also related to the country, the overall development, the process, the after the India independence in India, they choose the adopt the development models. So nariya planning, some of the planning, the first 5 plans, 7 plans. So the planning to the how to the food security, how to plan. So mainly for this availability and access of food grains, the India chose to the adopted a plan to development models.